Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this article, you will learn about environmental sustainability and our carbon footprint and initiatives by schools to reduce their carbon environment. Let's get started. As we know, global warming causes melting ice caps, rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and disrupts ecosystems. To maintain the balance, environmental sustainability is the key. One major way we can achieve sustainability is by reducing our carbon footprint. How big are your carbon footprints? Your carbon footprint is the amount of greenhouse gases, especially carbon dioxide, released into the atmosphere as a result of your activities. Imagine each of your actions leaves a footprint on Earth. The challenge is to make those footprints smaller. But how? Biofuels and their contributions. Instead of using fossil fuels, we can switch to using biofuels. Biofuels have the potential to decrease greenhouse gas emissions and are renewable and sustainable energy sources. Biofuels are produced through the conversion of organic materials into usable fuels through processes like fermentation or chemical reactions. Different types of biofuels can be used for various purposes, helping reduce fossil fuels usage. Contribution of schools. In today's world, where the impact of climate change is increasingly evident, the call for environmental sustainability has never been more urgent. Schools, as centers of learning and community engagement, are uniquely positioned to influence and shape the environmental consciousness of future generations. By incorporating sustainable practices into the curricula and daily operations, schools can significantly reduce their carbon footprint and promote a culture of environmental awareness among students. We interviewed Mr. Meru, Secretary of Matkundapalli Model School, MMS, regarding his school's initiatives to reduce its carbon footprint. How does your school integrate education on sustainability and global warming into the students' curriculum? The MMS's initiatives are as follows. Sustainability curriculum, dedicated curriculum modules specifically focused on environment, sustainability, and climate change. Project-based learning, assigning students multifaceted projects focused on sustainability challenges in the local community or globally. Eco clubs, facilitating green clubs where students can lead sustainability initiatives within the school like recycling drives, energy audits, and awareness campaigns. Does your school conduct any additional programs or events to teach students about sustainability and global warming? The MMS conducts several programs to educate students about sustainability and global warming. Science fairs on renewable energy models, sustainable inventions, etc. Debates and presentations on climate policies and solutions. Field trips to waste treatment plants and renewable energy sites. Expert talks by environmental experts and sustainability professionals. What steps has your school taken to reduce its own carbon footprint and environmental impact? Energy efficiency initiatives, using LED lighting and smart appliances, and turning off lights or any appliances when not in use. Renewable energy adoption, installing solar panels or wind turbines on school buildings to generate clean electricity. Waste management and recycling, color-coded dustbin system for efficient waste segregation and recycling. Water conservation, harvesting rainwater for landscaping purposes, promptly fixing any leaks to prevent water wastage. Through these efforts, MMS aims to create a well-rounded, environmentally conscious community dedicated to sustainability and reducing its collective carbon footprints. Imagine if every school, like the MMS, every community or every person will make a commitment to reduce their carbon footprint. Together, they can create a future where Earth's ozone layer stays intact and balanced for generations to come. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned Global warming has severe consequences like melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events. Hence, we should focus on reducing our carbon footprints through sustainable practices and using biofuels, which are renewable and can decrease greenhouse gas emissions. Schools are vital in promoting sustainability by integrating environmental education into curricula and taking practical steps like energy efficiency, waste management, and renewable energy adoption. We hope you liked this article. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.